Everybody's well and enjoying the lovely weather this weekend. Today we're going to be looking at a and an using them correctly with different nouns within sentences. Okay then, year 3, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be thinking about using a or an with the correct object when using it in a sentence. So I have one apple here and I have one pen. Can you think about when you would use a or an? Is it an pen or a pen? Is it a apple or an apple? Just have a little think about it. Say it through. Which one sounds correct? Which one sounds doesn't? And in a second, we're going to think about a little game to help us warm up with how to use a and an correctly with different nouns. Okay then guys, back to my apple. This would be an apple. And this would be a pen. And I'm sure you would have got those right by the way that they sound. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get us warmed up with a little game, something for you to think about with the letters of our alphabet. So this is our alphabet. You can see we've got A all the way through to Z. What I want you to do, I want you to look at each one of these, and I just want you to sort them into consonants and vowels. Now, you would have done this lots in year 3, and you would have done this in year 2 as well. So take a moment, you can write these down on a piece of paper and split them into 2 groups, consonants and vowels. Okay, let's see what you've got. So, I know that A is a vowel. I know that E is a vowel. I know that I is a vowel. I know that O is a vowel. And I know that U is a vowel. Now then, what we're going to need to do, we're going to need to remember that all of the other letters are consonants and that these 5 are vowels, and this will help us decide whether we're using a or an when thinking about our objects. Okay then guys, let's have a look at these different objects. What we're going to do is we're going to sort these different things into whether they start with a consonant or a vowel. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll point to each object. You can pause the video, decide whether that word starts with a consonant or a vowel. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. Teacher. Does teacher start with a consonant or a vowel? Okay, teacher starts with a consonant, T-E-A-C-H-E-R. So well done if you got that one correct. Let's have a look at the next one. Let's have a look at this. Here we've got an egg. Does that start with a consonant or a vowel? Good stuff. That starts with a vowel, E-double-G. Okay, let's have a look at this. We've got a jumper here, a jumper. Does that start with a consonant or a vowel? It starts with a consonant. Okay. How about this one? A book. Is that a consonant or a vowel? Does it start with a consonant or a vowel? Okay, book starts with a consonant. Okay. How about this one? Umbrella. Consonant or vowel? That starts with a vowel, umbrella. Okay. How about this one here? Looks like a beaver, but it's actually an otter. Does that start with a consonant or a vowel? That one is a vowel, otter. Okay. How about this? This is a laptop. That start with a consonant or a vowel. That one is a consonant, laptop. Okay. How about this? Juicy apple. That's an apple. Does it start with a consonant or a vowel? It starts with a vowel. Excellent. Just going to move this down a little bit so I've got more space. Okay, next one. Here we've got a yogurt. I'll start with a consonant or a vowel. That one is a consonant. Okay, and last one. This one here, icicle. Icicle. Okay, does that start with a consonant or does it start with a vowel? That one starts with a vowel. Okay. All of these nouns start with a vowel with their spellings, and all of these start with a consonant. What I want you to do, I want you to think about a or an. Is it a egg or is it an egg? Which one sounds correct? What I'd like you to do, or I'd like you to say each of these nouns, but before I want you to say either a or an and decide which one sounds correct. Alright? So, pause the video here, have a go at saying them and writing them down and decide which one makes sense. Okay, well done for doing that. You would have a teacher, you would have an egg, you would wear a jumper, you would use an umbrella, you would read a book, you would see an otter, you would use a laptop, you would eat an apple, you would eat a yogurt, and in the winter you might see an icicle. I wonder if you can notice any patterns. An often goes with nouns which start with a vowel. An egg, an umbrella, an otter, an apple, an icicle. A often comes before words or nouns that begin with consonants. A teacher, a jumper, a book, a laptop, a yogurt. So well done if you got those right. Okay, great stuff on that last little go. Have a look at these different objects here. What I'd like you to do is look at each one and then decide whether it's a or an in front of them. So we've got orange, pencil, rabbit, house, envelope, apple. Think about what we learnt about vowels and consonants and decide whether it's a or an. Okay, if you need to, rewind the video, remind yourself of the rule, and then see if you can put them in the right place. Okay, great stuff, guys. Let's see if we can go through it. I'm sure you would have got them right. So we've got an orange. Orange starts with a vowel, so it's an orange. Got pencil here. Think about what pencil starts with. starts with a consonant, so it's a pencil. Okay, here's rabbit. Is R a consonant or a vowel? Okay, it's a rabbit. A goes with consonants. Have a look at this. We've got a house. Is it a or an house? An house sounds a bit strange, so it's a house. Okay, H is a consonant. Have a look at this one. We've got envelope. Think about the E in envelope. Is that a consonant or a vowel? It's a vowel, so it's an. And last but not least, apple, one of my favourite fruits. It's an apple. So well done. If you got those right, you're doing a really, really good job. Now what we're going to look at next, we're going to be thinking about some words which don't always fit the rule, okay? So our rule is, if our noun starts with a vowel, so O in orange, we precede it with an orange, okay? If our noun starts with a consonant, H for house, it's a house, okay? But not all words always fit this rule. We'll just have a look at two of them now. Okay guys, you're doing really, really well. Okay, we're going to look at the word unique now, which means different, individual, not like anything else, okay? So, which sounds correct? It was a unique painting, or it was an unique painting. Say them through to yourselves and decide which one sounds correct. Okay, so it was a unique painting. This one sounds correct, but let's have a little look why. Because if we look at the spelling, we can see that unique begins with a U, which is a vowel. And normally, we would put an before a word that begins with a vowel. But let's listen to the sounds of unique. 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 The start of this sound is a Y sound. So the U in the spelling of unique makes a Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we have to use A to introduce this noun. A unique painting. Okay. Brilliant stuff, guys. Next, we're going to look at honest. Okay. It was a honest mistake, or it was an honest mistake. Say them through to yourselves a few times and see what you think. Which one sounds correct? Okay. The correct one is it was an honest mistake. But let's have a little look at the word honest. Honest starts with a consonant, a H. Now if we follow our rules normally, we would put an A in front of it. But not this in this case. Let's have a think about the sounds. Honest. The start sound of honest is an O sound, a vowel sound. So we have to use an honest mistake. Okay then guys, that's it for today. On the school website, there will be some activities for you to do where you can use a or an with the correct noun. Okay, have a great day guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.